For any homework-related queries, call us at +1 678 648 4277. You can mail us at support@statisticshomeworksilver.com or reach us at https://www.statisticshomeworksolver.com. The following solution for data analysis using our shows how R is used to find the t-test and other parameters based on two different types of data. It also involves testing hypotheses, making decisions, and explaining the reason behind every decision. Data. Before therapy, after therapy 11, 12, 32, 23, 12, 9, 16, 30, 15, 13, 18, 19, 7, 6, 26, 27, 10, 11, 18, 38, 7, 11, 35, 14, 12, 17, 21, 13, 9, 21, 31. Problems and solutions. 13, 12, 11, 30, 10, 10, 14, 28, 13, 14, 22, 32, 10, 8, 20, 26, 8, 9, 13, 29, 12, 14, 24, 34, 8, 11, 12, 10, 12, 17. For this assignment, you are required to use the statistical program R round all numerical answers to 2 decimal places and p-values to 3. The assignment is comprised of 2 problems. Each problem requires you to calculate the appropriate t-test with R. statisticshomeworksolver.com. A commonly held belief is that it is always beneficial to one's emotional health to vent one's feelings after a traumatic event. A study attempted to actually test this idea. Researchers tested the emotional well-being scores of subjects who had experienced a traumatic event before and after they received psychotherapy. Perform an appropriate t-test with R to see if there is a difference in the emotional well-being scores before and after the psychotherapy. Finding the t-test and deciding on the hypotheses. Here, the means, standard deviations, and t-tests for the 2 different sets of data are calculated. Conclusions on hypotheses on each are given, and the results are all explained. The pooled variance is also calculated. Finding the mean and standard deviation for the first set of participants. 1A. What is the mean for the before therapy group? Answer: 10.8751b. What is the standard deviation for the before therapy group? Answer: 2.390955. statisticshomeworksolver.com. 1C. What is the mean for the after therapy group? Answer: 10.56251d. What is the standard deviation for the after therapy group? Answer: 2.393568. Deciding on the appropriate test. 1E. What type of t-test is required here? Answer: paired sample t-test. Deciding on the hypothesis. 1F. Based on your findings, can we reject the null hypothesis? Report your findings using the format below, as demonstrated in lab. Be sure to clearly state the variables. If there is a significant difference, clarify which direction it is going. Answer: we cannot reject the null hypothesis. There is not a significant difference in mean between before therapy and after therapy. T to 15 equals 0.628, P equals 0.540. statisticshomeworksolver.com. Problem 2. Researchers were interested in which of 2 methods were best for retention. They had all subjects read a chapter in a textbook. Then, one group of subjects, study, was encouraged to study the material for 60 minutes. The other group of subjects, quiz, was not allowed to study, but was actually given a 60-minute quiz on the material. Then, all subjects were required to complete a final test on the material. Perform an appropriate t-test on the final test scores with R to see if there is a difference in performance between the study and quiz groups. finding the mean and standard deviation for the second set of participants. StatisticsHomeworkSolver.com. 2a. What is the mean for the study group? Answer: 18.78572b. What is the standard deviation for the study group? Answer: 5.9508062c. What is the mean for the quiz group? Answer: 26.52d. What is the standard deviation for the quiz group? Answer: 6.449806. Deciding on the appropriate test. 2e. What type of t-test is required here? Answer: independent 2-sample t-test. StatisticsHomeworkSolver.com. Deciding on the hypothesis. 2f. Based on your findings, can we reject the null hypothesis? Report your findings using the format below. Be sure to clearly state the variables. If there is a significant difference, clarify which direction it is going. Answer: we can reject the null hypothesis. There is a significant difference in the mean between before and after. T, 28, equals minus 3.3873, P equals 0.002. Q3 hashtag 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 hashtag. StatisticsHomeworkSolver.com. Hashtag Q1. Assign 3 red dot delim, c://users/cssc/downloads/assign 3.tx white space t, etern data.frame, assign 3, mean, etern $before therapy, NARM equals true, 1, 10.875 SD, etern $before therapy, NARM equals true, 1, 2.390955 mean, etern $after therapy, NARM equals true, 1, 10.5625 SD, etern $after therapy, 1, 2.393568 t. Test, etern $before therapy, etern $after therapy, paired equals TRUE, NARM equals true. Paired t-test. StatisticsHomeworkSolver.com. Data: etern $before therapy and etern $after therapy t equals 0.62795, df equals 15, p-value equals 0.5395. Alternative hypothesis: true difference in means is not equal to 0.95% confidence interval, minus 0.7482174.1.3732174 sample estimates. Mean of the difference is 0.3125. Hashtag Q2 mean, etern $study, NARM equals true, 1, 18.78571 SD, etern $study, NARM equals true, 1, 5.9500806 mean, etern $quiz, NARM equals true, 1, 26.5 SD, etern $quiz, NARM equals true, 1, 6.449806 t. Test, etern $study, etern $quiz, NARM equals true. Welch 2 sample t-test. StatisticsHomeworkSolver.com.